Hi, online sellers. This is Kashin from LedgerGurus. Today, I want to talk to you about how to turn on those sales tax settings on your shopping channel so you can be collecting at the right rate for sales tax. And if you haven't, well, this is part 3 of the series where I talk about how to make sales tax simple for e-commerce sellers and accountants that have e-commerce clients. In the previous 2 parts, I talked about what is Nexus and how to do a registration. So if you haven't, please check those videos out and I'll link them in the description below. Before we dive into the content of this video, which is to show you how to set up your channels so you're collecting sales tax correctly, I want you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell sign. So every time we post a new video, you will get notified. Here at LedgerGurus, we help e-commerce business owners to go from being confused and scared about doing their sales tax wrong to feeling calm and clear on exactly what they need to do so they can expand their business boldly with confidence. Let's dive into the content. There are 4 parts that you need to do on your shopping channel to set up sales tax collection settings correctly. The first part that I want to mention is before all of this needs to happen, you need to know when you should do it. In the previous part, we talked about registration. And part of the registration is asking what the effective date should be for your registration. That means on that day going forward, you need to be collecting sales tax. So for example, if I registered in a state using the effective date of July 1st, 2022, then that means on July 1st, I am responsible to collect sales tax. So then on June 30th, the night before the effective date, I would go to my channel and turn on these settings to make sure that on July 1st, my first order, I would be collecting sales tax. So I don't have to pay it out of pocket because the states are going to want you to report sales and remitting sales tax starting your effective date. Okay, so the first thing you need to add on your settings is the states you're going to collect sales tax in. Some channels, if you're selling on Amazon or Walmart or one of these marketplace facilitators, certain states, actually most states, will be grayed out because the marketplace collecting the sales tax on behalf of the sellers. But if you're selling on Shopify or your own channel, make sure to add the states from the drop-down menu on the states where you already registered for. Some will require you to put in an account number. And if you don't know that account number yet, put in your FEIN, your Federal Employment Identification Number, to be a placeholder. And once you get the state ID from the various states, you can go in and replace that. So that's the first step, is to select all the states that you're collecting sales tax in. And the second step is to check where your location is set up in your channel. This is very important because certain states track where the inventory is shipped from to the consumers, and it will assign different rates based on where the inventory is coming from. So go to your locations if you're on Shopify and make sure that address of your warehouse is correct. Third, you want to check on your products. You want to make sure the products that are taxable are all marked, collect tax on these products, and the products that are not taxable, you need to create a collection for them and add a sales tax override for that collection. This is very specific to Shopify, as most of my clients use Shopify. But if you're on Amazon, pick the correct product code for the product you're selling. So when someone buys a product, Amazon knows, okay, if this product is taxable in this state, I'll collect tax. If it's not taxable in this other state, I will not collect tax. So categorizing the product is the third step. And the last step is to look at your customers. Do you sell to wholesalers? Do you sell to universities, hospitals, churches, and other exempt entities? If you are, then you need to collect exemption certificate from those customers, and then you don't have to collect tax. So managing sales tax setting for your customers is the fourth step. Let me just recap all of that. First, select the states. Second, check your location. Third, check your products. And fourth, check your customers. This is applicable to whichever shopping platform you're on. And if you have any questions specific to the shopping channel that you're on, leave me a comment below and I'll be sure to get back to you. If you want to learn more about how to correctly set up your channels with a guide that walk you step by step through different platforms like Shopify, Amazon, Walmart, Etsy, Ecommerce, BigCommerce, I have all of that content ready in our Sales Tax Made Simple course that I'll link below. So check out the course, check out the module to walk you through different steps with screen share and all detailed information so we can make sure your tax setting is correct and accurate and you're ready to collect sales tax. In the next video, I want to show you how to remit sales tax, how to fill out a tax form, what the logics are. So be sure to look out for that video. And if you are over $1 million in sales and you want to outsource your sales tax services to us and your accounting services, we'll link below on how you can contact us. And if you're a CPA or an accountant that's looking for an exciting job, feel free to reach out to us as well because we're hiring. And I hope you all are having a great day and I'll meet you guys in the comments. Bye.